everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Homestead Essential Rolling Nesting Boxes, where all the eggs roll forward so they don't get set on or plucked. Come with me as we put this thing together. Yay! And I'm Robbie, Uncle Rah-Rah, and this is Haven's Homestead. And all this is for our very special guy, Haven. He has my heart, and he's my everything. He's my little nephew, and he's the bravest person I know. So bear with us as we come along, and you can come with us as we build our dreams at Haven's Homestead. Look at that lights shining right on them essential nesting boxes. Bang! Look at that. That's something special. Boom. That even might be the clip. That might be the clip, man. That might be that thumbnail, man. You know what I'm talking about? Thumbnail, baby. Hey. I need to back on up a bit. Set my cup down. Yeah. Right there. Bam. That ain't working either, big dog. Alright. I'm gonna take Mr. Clifford Dip Dogger. We're gonna turn him into a multi-purpose. So we can turn that this way, and that can go downwards, and this can go bang.